Sir, very happy afternoon to all. Sir, we are going to start a super and a fantastic subject called as cost and management accounting. Right, sir? Sir, what are the chapters to be studied in the cost and management accounting? Part A, these are the 3 chapters to be studied. Number 1, cost sheet. Number 1 is? Sir, cost accounting system. Number 2 is what? Number 3 is process costing. Number 3 is? Sir, in this slot, we are going to start with the first chapter called as cost sheet. Tell me. The subject itself is costing. Costing means I will be incurring lot of expenses, correct? Sir, whatever expenses I am incurring, I am going to write in a sheet as a statement called as what? Cost sheet. What is the idea of preparation of cost sheet? As a manufacturer, I want to know what is the total cost I have incurred. What is the total cost? So first of all, I should know what are the costs I will incur. The first cost in order to manufacture a product I will be incurring is the direct material consumed. Number 1 is direct material consumed. Sir, without material, I can't do the production. Am I right? Sir, if I am having only material, I can't complete the production. I need factors of production such as labor, such as expenses. Are you really with me? So if I am going to manufacture this calculator, in order to manufacture this calculator, do I need material? Do I need labor? I have to, sir, incur certain direct expenses. So what our subject costing is saying that if you want to find out the total cost, my dear lovable students, direct material consumed, tell me, plus direct labor plus direct expenses is equal to prime cost. Is equal to prime cost means it is the primary cost. It is the in order to incur which I am incurring to manufacture a product. Sir, what is direct material consumed? Direct material consumed means opening stock of raw material. Tell me, opening stock of and purchases of raw material. Add minus closing stock of raw material. Minus closing stock of. So I have to take the opening stock of raw material. Add purchases of raw material. I have to reduce the closing stock of. So I will get the raw material consumed. Raw material. So the first element of cost in the cost sheet is the direct material consumed. Right? What is direct material consumed? Opening stock of raw material. Add additions or purchases minus closing stock of raw material. I will get the raw material consumed. You tell me, if I want to know the total cost which I have incurred, whether the purchases is important, consumption is important. Because whatever raw material I have consumed, to that extent only I have incurred the cost, correct? That's why opening stock of raw material add purchases of raw material minus closing stock of raw material, I will get the raw material consumed. Right, sir? Add direct labor. What labor? Sir, I am having material in my hand. Now I have to incur the labor cost. Right, sir? Add direct expenses. Add what? In costing, the aggregation of total of direct material consumed plus direct labor plus direct expenses is called as what cost? It is the primary cost which I am incurring to manufacture a product. Are you really with me? So what are the cost, man? I am going to prepare the cost sheet. Sir, in the cost sheet, first one direct material, direct labor and direct expenses. If I add all the 3, the answer what I am getting is called as, my dear lovable students, I am going to manufacture a product. Sir, I cannot manufacture the product in road. I have to manufacture the product in factory. In factory, I will be paying rent for the factory. In factory, I will be paying EB. In factory, I will be paying supervisor salary. The main difference between prime cost and other than prime cost is, sir, if I am manufacturing this calculator, can I say to manufacture one calculator, how many buttons needed? Yes, sir. In order to manufacture one calculator, how much labor hours needed? Because one labor may take 1 hour to set the entire calculator, right? Sir, this design actually has been found out by Tesla. This design of the calculator is actually found out by, sir, the Facebook owner. This design has been actually found out by some manufacturing company. I don't know the design of this product. Hello, sir. But they said to me that, A&M, you can use this design. Hello, sir. With this design, you can manufacture the calculator. But for every one calculator what you are manufacturing, 10 rupees you are supposed to pay to us. It is called as royalty. That royalty is a direct expenses. That royalty is a... So I will be incurring direct material consumed, direct labor, direct expenses. I will get the what cost? But the factory rent, the factory EB, the factory supervisor salary cannot be determined on a per unit basis. Correct? Is rent based upon per unit? Is supervisor salary based upon per unit? Is electricity bills are based upon per unit? Then, so the expenses in costing classified into two categories. One is direct and other is what? Indirect. The indirect expenses in costing is called as overheads. In a head? So overhead means indirect expenses. Overhead means which cannot be expressed as per unit. Which cannot be expressed as. So my dear lovable students, add factory overhead. Add what overhead? So first I have incurred the direct material consumed, direct labor, direct expenses, prime cost. Right? Add next one. I have to integrate the material, labor and expenses in one place. For that I need factory. So inside factory I will be incurring expenses. Correct? Such an expense is called as factory overhead. What overhead? Add factory overhead. Add what? I will get the gross factory cost. I will get the where the work will be happening inside factory only. That is why gross factory cost is otherwise called as gross works cost. Gross factory cost is otherwise called as. Now you tell me, sir, there are two ways in which you can learn costing. Either you can repeat 5 times or you can think that you are going to manufacture a product. You are going to manufacture a product. Please manufacture a car. Any car which you love. In order to manufacture anything in this world, do you need material? That's what direct material. It's not direct material purchased. It is direct material consumed. Right, sir? Sir, I am having material alone. Will it become finished product? No, sir. In order to convert the raw material into finished product, I need labors. Correct? There are two types of laborers will be there. One is direct labor and indirect labor. Indirect labor is called as overhead. Right, sir? Direct labor will form part of the prime cost. Comfortable? Sometimes in order to manufacture a product, I have to pay royalty. I have to pay some direct expenses. That is what the next element of cost called as what? Direct expense. So now you are having material, labor, expenses, which will be primarily called as prime cost. Add what overhead? Factory overhead. What overhead? You will get the gross factory cost. Tell me, gross factory cost. Sir, are you thinking that entire work in the factory will be completed in one day? No, sir. Certain work will start and certain work will be in pending. Correct? Sir, which work we will be completing first? Whatever work is pending in the start will be completing first. For example, if we are having what WIP, opening WIP, that work will be completing first. Correct? This we will complete and we will start new work. Correct? Out of this new work, some portion will be completed during the current period itself. Some portion will be what WIP? Closing WIP. Right? I don't want to find out the cost for what is pending. I want to know the cost for what is completed. Correct? So you tell me, sir, in the start in the factory, first you will finish the opening WIP. That means opening WIP means some part of the cost has been incurred in the last period. Yes, sir. But it has not been completed in the last period. Sir, the balance of the opening WIP will be completed in the current period. So this will become finished goods. So that's why to the what cost, gross factory cost, add opening stock of WIP. Add what? Because, my dear lovable students, this opening stock of WIP means last period closing stock of WIP. It has introduced in the last period but not completed in the last period. That will be completed during the current period. So, I want to know what is the cost I am incurring for the goods produced during the current period. So, this would have been completed during the current period. That's why add opening stock of what IP. But I have consumed certain direct material. I have incurred direct labor. I have incurred direct expense. I have incurred prime cost. I have incurred the factory overhead. This is the total cost I have incurred during this period. My dear lovable students, where the entire work would be completed during this period or some amount will be pending. Some amount will be pending. That I have introduced during this period but will be completing in the next period. That's why less closing stock of what? WIP. I will be getting the net factory cost. What factory cost? Or factory cost. Or what? Because earlier this is gross factory cost. Gross factory cost means before WIP adjustment. Correct? If you have to add opening stock of WIP minus closing stock of WIP, you will get the net factory cost or factory cost or works cost as the NMAB. Sir, can we manufacture a car? In order to manufacture a car, first what you need? Raw material. So raw material consumed. Add what labor? Add what expense? This is called as what cost? This is the primary cost. Without material, without labor, without expense, I can't manufacture a car. Pakka? Where you will manufacture a car? Factory. In the factory, you will be incurring expenses which are indirect in nature. Correct? That is called as overhead. Add what overhead? So to the prime cost, I have to add the factory overhead. I will get the gross factory cost. What factory cost? Comfortable? To the gross factory cost, sir, these are the costs incurred during the current period. Correct? But certain products I would have introduced in the last period. For that, some work would have been completed in the last period and the balance work will be completed in the current. For that also, from this cost, I will be apportioning. Correct? That's what add opening stock of WIP. Right? But out of the total current period cost, 100% would not have been completed. That will be standing as closing stock of WIP. Right? So less closing stock of WIP. I will be getting the net factory cost or works cost or factory cost. Are you all really with me? Now this net factory cost or works cost or the factory cost means, my dear lovable students, cost I have incurred for the completed product. Cost I have incurred for the completed product. Now the finished goods as came out. Right? Before the manufacturer sell this calculator to me, he will check that whether all the buttons has been placed properly or not. Whether it has been properly tight and packed or not, battery is working or not, that is called as quality control cost. What, man? So as a manufacturer, before he send the goods to the ultimate customer, he will be incurring QRAP. Tell me. Minus scrap. Tell me. QRAP. Tell me. Minus scrap. Q stands for quality control cost. Tell me. Q stands for? R stands for research and development cost. R stands for? A stands for administration overhead related to production. Administration overhead. And P stands for primary packing cost. P stands for? So car is ready. Before they send the car to the customer, they will check the quality. That's what quality control cost. Right, sir? Sometimes in order to manufacture the car, they would have incurred research and development costs. Right? They will be incurring administration overhead related to. Because factory is there, inside factory lot of workers will be there. Someone should see the attendance of the workers. Sir, we have to take care of the administration overhead related to what? Production. And sometimes if you buy a calculator, even a calculator, they will put in a box and then only they will give, correct? That is called as primary packing. That is called as? But if you are going and saying to the seller that I want to gift the calculator to my friend, please pack it 3-4 times in a big dappa as if he is getting a big NSR gift, that is secondary packing. What packing? So here manufacturer will be incurring QRAP. What, man? Q stands for quality control cost, research and development cost, administration overhead related to production. Don't stop with administration overhead. Administration overhead related to production, primary packing cost. Right? Sir, in order to manufacture a product, you have to incur the direct material consumed. When you incur direct material, raw material, do you think that all raw material will be good raw material? All finished goods will be good finished goods? Something will break, something will broke, correct? That we will sell for scrap. That we will sell for. Is it an expense or an income? Income. It reduces the cost incurred. Am I right? That's why it is minus scrap. That's why less credit for recovery, credit for scrap, or if any byproduct or miscellaneous income. Comfortable? That means, sir, out of the cost what you have incurred, if you are having any income, that income should be reduced from the cost in order to find out the net cost. In order to find out the answer, what you are getting is called as cost of production. What of production? Is this cost of production for the completed units or for the semi-completed unit? Completed units. Because whatever semi-completed units are called as WIP, I eliminated the WIP. So I am going to write cost sheet. Are you ready? Can we manufacture a product? So you are a manufacturer. In order to manufacture any product, you need raw material. So direct material consumed. Picturize. Okay. Add direct labor. Add direct expenses. I will be getting the prime cost. Sir, where I will be incurring my prime cost? Factory. Add factory overhead. I will be getting the gross factory cost. Gross factory cost means the cost before WIP adjustment. Add opening stock of WIP less closing stock of WIP. I will get the net factory cost or factory cost or works cost as the. Now the product is ready. Before that product is being supplied to the customer, as a manufacturer, you have to incur QRAP minus scrap. QRAP minus scrap. What is Q? Quality control expenses. What is R? Research and development expense. What is A? Administration overhead related to production. What is P? Primary packing expenses. Primary packing cost. Right up. And if there is any scrap, if there is any byproduct, if there is any revenue, if there is any recovery, if there is any amount you have received, that has to be reduced. Are you totally with me? You will get the what of production. This is the total cost you have incurred during the current period. Sir, add opening stock of finished goods. Add opening stock of. Is this cost incurred during this period or last period? This is the cost incurred during this period. This period may be 1 week or 1 day or 1 year or 1 month based upon the question. Correct? So I will be getting COGAS. I will be getting what? Cost of goods available for sale. Tell me. Cost of goods available for sale. Tell me. Cost of goods. Sir, this is what I have manufactured. Correct? Sir, this is already in my hand. Maximum during the current period. I can sell. Cost of goods available for sale. Sir, beyond this I can't sell, sir. This is the maximum I can sell, sir. But will you sell 100% of the available? No, sir. Then less closing stock of finished goods. Closing stock of. This will be with you as your closing stock. You will get the cost of goods sold. You will get that. You will get that. This is the cost of the goods which I have sold. Are you really with me? Sir, why are you calculating the cost of goods sold? If I know the cost of goods sold, then only I can add my profit. If I add my profit, only I can find out the selling price. Then only I can sell the product. This is how manufacturers are determining the selling price per unit. If you are going to a shop and saying that, Anna, give me one calculator, they are selling at 250 rupees, correct? How they would have derived that 250? They would have first put, in order to manufacture one calculator, how much direct material required, how much direct labor cost they are incurring, how much direct expense they are incurring, what is the prime cost per calculator. Comfortable? Add factory overhead per calculator. Hello, sir. They will be getting the gross factory cost. Add opening stock of WIP minus closing stock of WIP. They will be getting the net factory cost or works cost as the. Now the calculator is ready, but they can't sell like that. They have to incur QRAP minus scrap. Q, quality control expenses. R, research and development expenses. A, administration expenses relating to production. P, primary packing cost minus scrap value. Then what the answer you are getting will be called as cost of production. That is a cost of production of the calculator. Alright. Then my dear lovable students, this cost of production. Is the calculator ready? Already you would have manufactured calculator in the last period. Add opening stock of finished goods. You will get the COGAS, cost of goods available for sale. That is the maximum amount of calculator you can sell. But you won't sell 100%. Less closing stock of finished goods. You will get the cost of goods sold. Cost of. Sir, that is what? Cost of goods sold here. Hello, sir. Sir, in order to sell the product, I have to incur further more cost. Okay, wow. Add general administration overhead. What? This is not the administration overhead related to production. Hello, sir. That is factory. I am having admin office also. Correct? I am having general manager. I am having CEO. I am having director in the company. Correct? Sir, if they take decision, if I pay salary to them only, the entire company can take strategy and a company can move forward. Correct? And the customer should know that I am manufacturing such a calculator or car. For that I have to do advertisement. That's what selling overhead and distribution overhead. Selling and distribution overhead. Are you really with me? So add administration overhead. What administration? General administration. Then I have to incur the selling overhead and distribution overhead. Then it is called as cost of sales. Cost of? Sir, here it is cost of Goods sold. Correct? It has to be converted into what of sale? Cost of sale. Right, sir? To that cost of sale, I have to add the, I will get the sales. I will get the, basically, my dear lovable students, cost of sales plus profit is what? Sales. Correct? Cost of sales plus profit is what? Sir, actually what is happening? Actually raw material is converting into finished goods. Right? And this finished goods I am selling. Right? For that I am incurring lot of cost at various places. Correct? What cost sheet is asking you that wherever costs you have incurred, all those costs you have to record in a statement. You have to record in a sheet called as what sheet? What cost sheet is saying that you classify your factory. You classify your factory into 3 places. Into how many places? Number 1, stores. Number 1. Number 2, work area. Number 2. Number 3, go down. Number 3, what? If you are a manufacturer, your factory, inside your factory, 3 places will be there. Number 1 is what? Sir, in these stores, you will keep the raw material. You will keep the raw material. In this work area, only you will do the production. You will do the, in this go down, only you will keep the finished goods. You will keep the, so if you see the cost sheet, my dear lovable students, the first one is what material consumed. That means this direct material consumed is related to stores. Is related to, because where the material will be there? Stores. So direct material consumed is a cost which I am incurring at what? Stores. Then add direct labor, add direct expense. I will get the what cost? Prime cost. Right, sir? Sir, once I incur the prime cost, that means material came from the stores to the work area. Laborers are working in the work area. Sir, I am incurring direct expense at the work area. To the work area, I have to pay rent. To the work area, I have to incur EB. Correct? That is called as what overhead? Factory overhead. I will get the what factory cost? Gross factory cost or gross works cost. Pakka, sir? But inside factory, whatever work I have started during this period, I will not complete in this period itself. So, sometimes last period, I would have started some work. Out of that, some work will be pending. That I will complete first in this period. And during this period, I will start certain work and I will complete a little bit and I will complete in the next period. Appreciating. That's why at opening stock of WIP, less closing stock of WIP, I will get the factory cost or works cost or net factory cost. Comfortable? Are you all really with me? So these area represent the work area cost. Represent the, so the first area, stores. In stores, I will be incurring direct material consumed, right? Then direct labor will be there, direct expense will be there. It will become prime cost. At factory overhead, it will become gross factory cost. At opening stock of WIP minus closing stock of WIP, it will become net factory cost or factory cost or works cost. Right, sir? In the exit of the work area, in the exit of the work area, sir, quality control people will be there. So in the exit of the work area, I have to incur the QRAP minus scrap. What is Q? Quality control cost. R, research and development cost. A, administration overhead related to production. P, packing cost minus scrap. Hello, sir? Then I will get the what of production. That is the total cost I have incurred till the work area. Till the work area. Are you really with me? In that direct material consumed is the cost incurred in the stores. And from there till here is the cost I will be incurring in the work area. Comfortable? Now, from the what area? Work area. The finished goods will go to the go down. Already in go down, opening stock of finished goods will be there. That's what add opening stock of finished goods. Now the place changed. Yes, sir. Because as a manufacturer, I will be incurring costs at various places. I want to accumulate all the costs in one place. That is called as what sheet? First, whatever cost I am incurring in the stores, whatever cost I am incurring in the work area, whatever cost I am incurring in the godown. Comfortable? Sir, in godown, already certain stock are available called as opening stock of finished goods. Correct? So if you open the godown, already certain stock are there. Whatever goods I have manufactured during the current period, I have kept inside the godown. So in the godown, COGAS will be there. What will be there? What is COGAS? Cost of goods available for sale. Will I sell all the items in the godown? That's why less closing stock of finished goods. I will get the what of goods sold? Cost of goods sold. Now, sir, the product has been traveled from stores to work area to, sir, from godown, it should reach the debtor. It should reach the debtor. Is debtor situated inside my premise or outside my premises? So that person should know that there is such a product. For that, I have to do advertisement. I have to do marketing. I have to do sales promotion. I have to incur the, sir, dash and dash overhead. Selling and distribution overhead. Right, sir? Sir, from the after work area, someone should take care of godown. Some sales manager should be there. Someone should take care of the accounts and take the business policy. That's what overhead? General overhead. What overhead? Are you really with me? Then I will get the what of sale? Cost of sales. What of sale? To that, whatever profit I wish to add, I will add the profit. At the selling price, I will sell the unit. Pakka, sir? So in order to manufacture a product, first you have to incur the cost called as. This prime cost should become gross factory cost. This gross factory cost should become net factory cost. This net factory cost should become cost of production. This cost of production should become COGAS. This COGAS should become cost of goods sold. This cost of goods sold become cost of sales. And this cost of sales becomes sales. Are you really with me? So what the objective of the cost sheet is? Sir, I am going to prepare a statement. There should be some use with that statement. By seeing the statement, I should be able to aggregate the cost. Okay, this is the total prime cost I have incurred. This is a gross factory cost. This is a net factory cost. This is the cost of production. This is the COGAS. This is the cost of goods available for sale. This is cost of goods sold. This is the cost of sales. And this is the ultimate selling value. Are you all really with me? So let me ask you a question. So the first term in the cost sheet is the what cost? Sir, prime cost comprises of what and all? Direct material, direct labor, direct expenses is called as prime cost. What is the second term? Gross factory cost. Correct? To this prime cost, add factory overhead. You will get the gross factory cost. Comfortable? Sir, what is the next term? Net factory cost. Sir, to this gross factory cost, add opening stock of WIP minus closing stock of WIP. You will get the net factory cost. Comfortable? Sir, this net factory cost should be converted into cost of production. Correct? So to this net factory cost, I have to incur the QRAP minus scrap. Then this net factory cost will become the cost of production. Now this cost of production will be there in work area or will move to the godown. Godown. In godown, already who is there? Opening stock. That's why to the what of production? Cost of production. Add opening stock of finished goods. Then in godown, already last year production is there. Current year production I push to the godown. I will be getting the cost of goods available for sale. Enapa comfortable? Will I sell the entire COGAS? I have to reduce the closing stock of finished goods. I will get the what of goods sold. This means the cost for the goods which I have sold. Pakka production cost, correct? But I have to incur the selling and distribution. I have to incur the general administration overhead. So add general administration overhead. Add selling and distribution overhead. Now cost of goods sold become cost of sales. Right? To this I have to add the profit. Then I will get the sales. That means cost sheet is an 8-step approach. Cost sheet is a in cost sheet we are finding out 8 types of cost. Number 1, prime cost, gross factory cost, net factory cost, cost of production, COGS, cost of goods sold, cost of sales and sales. Comfortable? Can you say the entire format of the cost sheet by thinking where the cost is happening? First we will incur the cost at the stores. Then we will incur the cost at the work area. Then we will incur the cost at the godown. Then we will incur the cost at the selling department. Alright, sir? Pakka, sir. So direct material consumed, add direct labor, add direct expenses, you will get the prime cost. Add factory overhead, gross factory cost. Add opening stock of WIP minus closing stock of WIP, you will get the net factory cost or factory cost or works cost as the case may. Comfortable? Add QRAP minus scrap. Q stands for quality control expenses, research and development cost, administration overhead related to production, primary packing cost minus scrap. You will get the cost of production. This is the first objective of the cost sheet, to find out the what of production. Current year cost of production. To find out the current year cost of production. Correct? Yes, sir. That's why I am including the last year WIP and I am eliminating the current year WIP. Comfortable? Then I will get the current year cost of production. Right? Then I'm mixing up with the last year balance NSR finished goods. Add opening stock of finished goods. I will get the cost of goods available for sale minus closing stock of finished goods. Cost of goods sold. Add general administration overhead. Add selling and distribution overhead. Cost of sales. I will be adding my desired profit. I will get the sales. Comfortable, sir? Are you really with me, sir? Sir, then what is a cost sheet? Cost sheet is, sir, a cost sheet or a what statement? It is a document which provides a detailed cost information. What are the costs I have incurred at the stores? That is raw material consumed. What are the costs I have incurred at the factory? That is work area in the factory. That's what my net factory cost. Correct? What is the cost I have incurred in the godown? That's what cost of goods available for sale. Comfortable? Sir, it is typical in a typical cost sheet. Cost information is presented on the basis of functional classification. Functional classification in the sense means direct material, direct labor, direct expense, all are variable in nature. All are at what overhead? Factory overhead, which is an indirect expenses, correct? Where I am incurring the cost, based on that I am recording the cost. Hello, sir. However, if you want, other classification can also be adopted as per the requirement of the users of the what? Information. If the users of the cost sheet is asking that, I don't want this format, I want some other format as a cost account, and you can prepare in that format also. But the prescribed format is, hello sir, on a functional basis. Sir, the cost as classified on the basis of functions are grouped in the following heads in a cost sheet. If you see the cost sheet, these are the heads. Prime cost will be there. What and all costs comprise in prime cost? Direct material consumed, direct labor, direct expenses. Gross factory cost will be there. At factory overhead, I will get the gross factory cost. Sir, net factory cost or factory cost will be there. which is nothing but add opening stock of WIP minus closing stock of WIP. Then you will get the what of production? Is this cost of production for the current period or the last period? Only for the current period, correct? Then this cost of production will move from the work area to the godown, correct? Already in godown, opening stock of the finished goods is there. So you will get the cost of goods available for sale. That is called as COGAS. That is called as. In that, I will not sell everything, my dear lovable students. I will be keeping something as closing stock. If I reduce that closing stock, I will get the cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is not enough. That goods should reach the customer, correct? For that, I have to incur the selling and distribution expenses, general administration overhead. Then it will become cost of. To that, if I add my desired profit, I will be getting the sales. Are you really with me? In that, my dear lovable students, we are having one by one. We will be discussing what is direct material cost. What is direct labor? Hello, sir. What is direct expenses? Because these three things comprises of prime cost. Sir, what is production overhead? What is the? That means what and all item will be coming inside the what overhead? Production overhead. Sir, we will be having special item like QRAP minus scrap. Right, sir? What is Q stands for? Quality control. R, research and development. Sir, A, administration overhead related to production. Sir, P stands for primary packing. And, sir, minus scrap. Minus what? And you will be having general administration overhead. Am I right, sir? You will be having selling overhead, right, sir? You will be having distribution overhead, right, sir? And these are special costs. Sometimes we have to incur abnormal costs. How to adjust that abnormal cost? Subsidy or grant or incentive sometimes we will get. Sometimes we are supposed to pay penalty, fine, damages and what? Demurrages. Interest and other what costs? Finance costs. These and all. Where to adjust in the what sheet? Or whether we will adjust or not. Hello, sir. That we have not discussed. Sometimes we would have borrowed money, for that we will be paying interest, correct? Will interest will come in the sheet or not? Cost sheet or not? Is what the special item or the special cost item, right, sir? And we will be start doing the concept question, my dear lovable students. We are having 5 concept questions are there. That concept question objective is to make you thorough the format of the cost sheet, right? Sir, can we say once again for the last time that the format of the cost sheet? Sir, you say without by heart. Okay, sir. Direct material consumed, add direct labor, add direct expenses, prime cost, add factory overhead, gross factory cost, add opening stock of WIP minus closing stock of WIP, you will get the net factory cost or factory cost or works cost as the case may be. Correct? Add QRAP minus scrap, you will get the cost of production. Add opening stock of finished goods, cost of goods available for sale minus closing stock of finished goods, you will get the cost of goods sold. Add general administration overhead, add selling and distribution overhead, cost of sales, add profit, you will get the sales. Comfortable? Sir, in the coming slot, we'll be talking about the theory part of one by one. What is direct material consumed? What is direct labor? What is direct expense? What is prime cost? And in addition to that, we'll be start solving the questions of the concept question, right? What you are supposed to do is revise the format of the cost sheet. Hello, sir. Write 3 times the format before you hear the next lecture, and I'll be adding lot of additional information and will be analyzing lot of data in the cost sheet through the concept question. Alright, sir? Are you all really with me? I'm with you, sir, from your heart. Anybody is there? Where is a grand clap?